Alright guys, we're back. BMW X3 inline 6 3-liter. This is the N55 code engine. Show you guys how to take out these buckets right here. There's 3 of them. What I use is a T30, 6 points. Okay, right there. Crack this bolt. There's 2 bolts in here. On each bucket there's 2 bolts. So he's gonna crack this open. I loosen them up already. So it's not that bad. Gonna give that a good tug. This will come out easy. This is why there's a condensation and rust spot going into the spark plug, because of these gasket right here. This gasket, you have to replace this all the time when you remove it. We don't want oil going in there. This engine is so clean. Look at that. There's no like gold burnt oil or anything like that. It's like silver. It's really good. And this is the worst one right here. Number 3 injector. You can see right there. It's really bad. Alright, so this is the last bucket right here. I'm just gonna pop this open. There we go. And then make sure to take out the gasket. Alright, so you can see in the hole in there, this one is okay. This one is the worst. Look at that spark plug in there. 3 and 4 is the worst. This one as well. 5 and 6.